Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome back to my channel, the Only Lauren channel. I am the Lauren that you're looking for when you need someone to call and you need the answers. If you wanted to know, there's no easy way out. If you're ready to show, let your heart burn you now. Don't give up on your faith. Love has love to love, and that's the way it is. That's the way it is. Oh, that's the way it is. I am the Black Celine Dion of the Americas. Anyways, so today's lesson and lecture is going to be on how the universe is poetry. Literally. So I had discovered this sometime back in the past, of maybe 2018, 2019. And I wasn't quite sure on exactly how to put this in words for you guys, so you guys understand it and I can like give it to you. That the universe is actually one verse in terms of poetry. So let's get into some proofs that this literal, mathematical, and lyrical universe actually exists. So, for those who don't know, poetry is measured in song form in meters and lines relating to rhythm and repetition. The period at the end of a line or sentence represents a singularity or a point, like in the universe. You obviously stop there. The comma represents the pause in the music but continues to go on. An ellipsis is an oval that is coming back around to its point. The type of story that can be told in the poetry can be hyperbolic, parabolic, or allegorical. As in a hyperbole, a parable, which is what Jesus told, parables, and allegorical stories, which is what people think the Garden of Eden story is. For you, that's up to interpretation. An allegory in mathematics is a category that has some structure of the category of the real set and binary relations between them, and I will go further into that on my Patreon, so make sure you subscribe. The story, as in most poetry, can be relatable, as in relativity, to the observer from his perspective, like in respect to. So I'm just gonna stop right here and pause and let you guys know that if you are interested in my Patreon, if you are interested in more information on this topic, simply subscribe to my Patreon. It's $10 a month and I have a wealth of information. So depaused. The Bible is written in poetry just for this reason. Its words are for multiple guidances in a particular direction. The emotion of the poetry moves you. Love has no limit and no reason. That's why pi is represented by love. Pi is the ratio between the radius of a circle and its circumference. If you don't already know that. Duh. Why am I telling you that? The number 1, 4, and 3, 1, 4, and 3 mean I love you, as the poet and musician Musique once said. Plus, to add to that, Albert Einstein was born March 14th. That's 3.14. And he is also a Pisces. Pisces. I know y'all noticed that. I know y'all noticed that freaking Albert Einstein was born on Pi Day. Don't tell me y'all didn't notice that. Plus, as an added bonus, Pisces are said to be poetic. So with that being said, feel the rhythm, feel the rhyme, get on up. It's universe is poetry time. And like and subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and pick up my book Quintessence on Amazon. You've never seen a black girl write a book on physics. That was an undergrad student, undergrad student, or maybe, I don't know, but I feel like there's only Lauren. Bye, everything. Hey. Money in the bank, hocus pocus. I'ma tell you what's gonna end. I'm gonna always be less than a friend. He is the Can't happen, can't happen, can't happen.